Welcome to Marshall Middle School for all our guests that are here, and thank you for being here. It's an exciting day for Marshall. Today we cut the ribbon on something truly special, our new Verizon Innovation Lab. This lab just isn't a space filled with the latest technology, it's a space filled with endless possibilities.
It's an exciting day for us, and I don't know if you students know this, but there's other similar STEM labs like this in other schools in the district, but you guys are the first one.
So today is our opportunity to be able to reveal and finally show the public our Verizon Innovative Learning Lab.
We are truly fortunate to have such a strong partner, one that understands the importance of giving students access to the tools they need to succeed in a rapidly changing world.
I want to give a big thanks to Verizon, Arizona State University, and the Heart of America for making this possible. Your support means a lot to us. You're not only bringing new technology into our school, but you're also showing us that learning can be fun and exciting, and what we do here really matters.
I really think middle school is about exploratory things, and that's something that Verizon really focuses on. If you notice, the Verizon Innovative Learning Schools are middle school only. So think of yourself as special because you are. You're in a time period of transition and thinking about skill discovery. And I think this is a great experience to learn in a space that lends itself to creation.
It's just a lot of hands-on things, which I'm always been a hands-on person. I love doing like building and stuff, but like the VILS lab has just a lot of that stuff, and it's just been real fun for me.
This lab will give us access to amazing tools like 3D printers, virtual reality headsets, and other advanced technologies that will help us learn in ways we have never been able to before. It's not just about the cool tech, though. It's about giving us space to explore new ideas, solve problems, and be creative.
As you go through this space and see it and learn in this space, I hope it kind of brings a different mentality to how you learn. Because learning by doing is such an amazing thing that I think we need to do more in education.
It's so cross-curricular. So I've even used our virtual reality headsets in my science class. So we were able to take it and look at the body systems. So we took and looked at the heart and the lungs. We could see the blood pumping from the heart all the way up to the lungs. You can oxygenate, then go back to the rest of the body, then coming back to the heart, unoxygenated. So they can actually do hands-on applications of that and see it.
Verizon, through our nonprofit partners, has been working to advance digital inclusion through our Verizon Innovative Learning, which is part of our Citizen Verizon program. Which Citizen Verizon is our company's responsible business plan to give back to our communities throughout the country.
So this is an exploratory class here at Marshall, so they can sign up for it and become involved with it that way. And it's a great way for them to get ready for the future in high school.
No matter what, you're gonna have fun. There's just so much stuff here. It's just been amazing.